So let's finish up 11.1 here on intro to sequences and series. Here we have special series that we're getting at. And what this means is if you have a summation of 1, right, and you are basically going to do 1 an n number of times, it's like saying if this went up to the 8, it would be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 8 times, which basically means you will end up with 8 as your answer. So if you have a 1 here for summation notation, whatever your n is your answer. If you ever have an I, just a regular old I, like in the last problems we had 2I, or we had 4I, or we had 8I. The point is, if you ever had I, the best way to solve this problem is right here. Just plug n into that formula. Instead of writing out all those sums and figuring out what your answer is, if you would just plug it into that formula, you'd get your answer. And if you ever had an I squared, instead of sitting there plugging in 1 the whole way up to n for I squared, you could plug it into this formula, n times quantity of n plus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 1 over 6, and that will tell you what your answer is as well. And we are finished, I guess, with this section, so I probably shouldn't have stopped. Alright, well, there's your homework. If you have any questions or concerns or emails or anything else, please feel free to let me know.